This is an air filter. It helps keep the air in your home clean and helps your HVAC system do its job. And if the one in your home looks like this, then we need to talk. Changing out the air filter in your home is one of the easiest ways you can improve energy efficiency. In fact, you can save up to 15% on your yearly energy costs when you regularly change your air filter. Plus, it can help your HVAC system last longer and prevents the need for costly repairs. And if you enjoy breathing clean air, then a clean air filter is the way to go. Old filters can lose their ability to trap pollutants and allergens, which can result in health concerns. Let's find out more with our EPB Energy Pro, Ron Jones. Hi, Ron.
Hey, Carrie, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for being here. Listen, first question we have, what exactly does the air filter do?
Well, a return air filter, it keeps your air handler, your ducts, and your coils clean by filtering the air at the point of intake at your air return.
Okay, so when should homeowners change the air filter?
Well, a general rule is if you're using depleted air filters, that you would replace them every 90 days. But if you're using a cheaper air filter, we recommend that you change it every month.
Okay.
The longer the air filter stays in, the more it gets clogged up, and that causes energy efficiency to go way down.
Okay, got it. All right, so what can happen if you don't change your air filters regularly? What kind of stress could that put on your HVAC system?
Well, it puts a lot of stress on your HVAC system. First of all, it restricts the airflow. And when you restrict the airflow from the dust particles, it blocks and jams up moving parts on an HVAC. For instance, like your fan motor or your valves.
Okay.
And when that takes place, then eventually your unit fails, which it causes an unnecessary service call.
Now, it's important to note that there are several ways you can keep a consistent replacement schedule. You can use an air filter subscription service that will send you a new one when it's time to swap out, or you can set a monthly reminder on your phone or calendar to help you remember. And most newer programmable thermostats let you set alerts based on when you want to be reminded to change your air filter. Now, Ron, I know there are several types of air filters in stores that can sometimes be overwhelming. What should we be looking for?
Well, first of all, you should look for an air filter with the MERV rating.
Okay, MERV rating.
MERV rating. MERV is just a fancy way of just saying the minimum efficiency reporting value. How well it's able to resist the dirt from going into your unit.
Well, Ron, you and I were talking earlier that the highest MERV rating isn't necessarily the best because all that restricted airflow can put a strain on your HVAC system. So you need to find the right balance there. So what do you recommend?
MERV ratings, they come between 1 and 16.
Okay.
Now, we recommend anywhere between 5 and 8.
Okay, 5 and 8. That is helpful. Thank you, Ron. Now we know. Changing your air filter regularly can clean up the air in your home, improve efficiency, and even extend the life of your HVAC unit. If you have any more questions about air filters or anything else, call us at EPB or send us a request at epb.com/energypros. We can help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.